Gentlemen and ladies, we've gathered here today to determine the fate of one slimy green so-called superhero called Hurricane. So, Hurricane, are you ready to see the future? This is you. The moon, the masked man, in his hand, colorful, glistening, beautiful gems, diamonds. But look closely. They are really just worthless shards of glass. Just like you, Hurricane, this man is a fraud, an imposter. Your path is crossed by the King of Swords. This man is a righteous, strong man. He's a fighter for virtue and justice and integrity. This man is obviously my brother Paul. So in the past, there's been a request, a proposal. So next week on ECW, if you beat Paul, then we will leave ECW. But if we win, and we will win, then you have to finally reveal yourself for who you really are and unmask yourself. Gregory Helms. So right now, you are like the hanged man in a seemingly hopeless position. The noose is tied around your neck. But look, Hurricane, your arms are free. Stop being so stubborn. Admit defeat and reveal who you really are. Just a pathetic little nerd. Because if you don't, next week on ECW, I see depression, pain, anger, torture, horrors like you've never ever seen or experienced before. Good luck on Tuesday, Hurricane.